We all know Texas Instruments, right? They make those calculators we used in school. But there's a lot more to TI than meets the eye. This company has a history full of amazing discoveries. They've shaped the world of technology as we know it. TI might not be the flashiest name in tech, but they are a giant. They have a spot on the S&P 500, a list of the most valuable companies around. They are a powerhouse of innovation. Their story is one of perseverance, ingenuity, and a touch of underdog spirit. So buckle up, we're about to take a trip through time. We will explore the fascinating world of Texas Instruments. Get ready to discover the hidden successes of this tech titan. This is a story about the tiny inventions that changed our lives forever. Our story begins in the 1950s. Transistors were the new hot thing. These tiny components could amplify or switch electronic signals. They were smaller and more efficient than bulky vacuum tubes. This opened up a world of possibilities for electronics. At that time, most transistors were made of germanium, but germanium had its limitations. Enter Gordon Teal, a brilliant scientist at Texas Instruments. Teal believed in the potential of silicon. Silicon was more abundant and could withstand higher temperatures than germanium. In 1954, Teal made a groundbreaking presentation. He showed the world that silicon transistors could be mass-produced. This was a game changer. TI became a leader in the emerging semiconductor industry. As transistors got smaller, a new challenge arose. How do you connect thousands, even millions of these tiny components together? This was a puzzle that fascinated Jack Kilby, another brilliant mind at TI. Kilby had a revolutionary idea. What if you could put all the components of an electronic circuit on a single piece of material? This would eliminate the need for bulky wiring and make electronics even smaller. And so, the integrated circuit, or microchip, was born. On September 12, 1958, Kilby demonstrated his prototype. It was a simple circuit, but it had a monumental impact. Kilby's invention paved the way for the microelectronics revolution. It's hard to imagine our world today without microchips. They power everything from smartphones and laptops to cars and spacecraft. But the path to innovation is rarely smooth. Around the same time that Kilby was working at TI, another inventor, Robert Noyce, was developing a similar concept at Fairchild Semiconductor. This led to a patent dispute that would drag on for years. While Kilby's patent was filed first, Noyce's design proved to be more practical for mass production. This led to a complex legal battle and eventually a cross-licensing agreement. The competition was fierce and it took a toll on TI's resources. However, the rivalry between TI and Fairchild ultimately benefited both companies. It pushed them to innovate and improve their technology, and it cemented the integrated circuit as a foundational technology of the future. Section 5. A new era of calculation. Despite the challenges of the patent disputes, TI continued to innovate. They set their sights on a new target, the calculator. At the time, calculators were bulky, expensive machines used mainly by scientists and engineers. TI wanted to make them accessible to everyone. Project Caltech was born. In 1967, TI launched the TI 2500, the world's first handheld electronic calculator. It was a revolutionary product. The TI 2500 was small enough to fit in your hand and affordable enough for students to buy. The TI 2500 was a massive success. It transformed the way we learn and perform calculations. Suddenly, complex math was within reach for everyone. The calculator became a ubiquitous tool used in classrooms, homes, and offices around the world. Section 6. A sea of analog wonders. As the digital revolution took off, many semiconductor companies like Intel focused on developing digital chips. Digital chips are great for processing information in the form of ones and zeros. But the world is not just digital. TI made a strategic decision to focus on another type of chip, the analog chip. Analog chips process continuous signals like sound, light, and temperature. They are essential for connecting the digital world to the real world. This focus on analog chips proved to be a brilliant move. Analog chips are used in a vast array of applications, from cars and airplanes to medical devices and industrial equipment. This strategic decision has ensured TI's long-term stability and profitability. Section 7. The quiet genius of TI. TI might not grab headlines like some tech giants, but their impact is undeniable. They are a company that values innovation and strategic thinking. They are not afraid to chart their own course, even if it means going against the grain. Their story is a testament to the power of perseverance. They faced challenges head-on, from patent disputes to shifting market trends. Through it all, they never lost sight of their commitment to innovation. TI is a company that lets its actions speak louder than words. They are the quiet genius of the tech world, working behind the scenes to power the devices we rely on every day. Section 8. A legacy of innovation. In 2000, Jack Kilby received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his invention of the integrated circuit. This prestigious award was a testament to the significance of his work and the profound impact it had on the world. Kilby's legacy lives on at TI, inspiring generations of engineers and scientists. TI's story is far from over. They continue to innovate, developing new technologies that shape the future. From advanced sensors and power management solutions to cutting-edge processors for artificial intelligence, TI is at the forefront of technological advancement. Their story is an inspiration to us all. It reminds us that innovation can come from anywhere. It teaches us that with hard work, determination, and a bit of ingenuity, we can achieve great things. Section 9. Conclusion. The future is analog. TI's journey from humble beginnings to tech titan is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. They have played a pivotal role in shaping the technological landscape we live in today. And as we venture further into a world increasingly reliant on technology, TI's focus on analog chips positions them as a key player in the future. Their story is a reminder that the most impactful innovations aren't always the flashiest. Sometimes, it's the quiet, steady progress that truly changes the world. And as we look to the future, one thing is certain: the world will continue to rely on the quiet genius of Texas Instruments.